Kim, we're a long way from English class in high school.
So I don't know if most of you guys know, but the story here is that Kim and Martine have been friends since, sophomore year of high school? And they were always friends, and there was always a thing. But it all started when we were in Puerto Rico. That's when the magic happened. And I watched them vibe the entire trip, and I saw how much Martine cared for Kim.
I want to give a shout out to God for putting a wonderful man like Martine in your life.
With open arms, you can fall back into, and I go.
You know, knowing Martin, he's always been ambitious, but since he's been dating Kim, you know, I noticed it's changing him where she's always driven him to take that ambition to the next level.
I'm beyond thankful and lucky for paths to have crossed. Every place we have been, every new adventure that we embark on is even more special because I know that I'm living a life that I want. That I'm living the life that I want to live next to my best friend.
Sister, you have learned, dedicated, and worked hard for your goals, and throughout all your hard work, you found a very rare one of a kind, and you know that.
Martine, I knew that you would be the one. I just knew. I gave my whole self and my whole heart early on to you. I couldn't help it, and I couldn't avoid it.
And I just want to say, Martine, thank you so much for taking such great care of my Kimby, because she deserves it. She's probably the best woman I know, and she's always going to be the best woman I know. So thank you for taking care so much.
I can't believe I get to spend the rest of my life with you. Someone as beautiful as you, caring, warm-hearted. I promise to love you through happiness, through sadness, through sickness, through health, and to be patient through any mood swings that may arise.
To be your support system, your cheerleader, your hiking buddy, to always kiss your freckles that I love so much, and to always be the best woman that I can possibly be for you.
Beautiful Diamond Martine, and diamonds last forever. And I wish you guys the best.
Seeing you two together happy looks complete. I wish you guys nothing but happiness, love, and success for the rest of your years.
I promise to keep giving you my whole heart and my whole self for my whole life.
I vow to be there for you in this matrimony. I will honor and respect you and be the man that you deserve. You inspire me to be the best person that I can be, and I'm thankful for that. You will forever be my cachimón.